Every team in an organization has regular meetings. They could be every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. And during these meetings, participants take the occasion to share with each other key updates, and they might discuss some key topics that are of concern for the entire group. But more often than not, these meetings can be a source of frustration. Why? Because they might go over time. Not all the topics that were supposed to be discussed are discussed because we polarize ourselves on one or two issues, and people end up leaving the meeting with perhaps a slight feeling of frustration and with less energy than when they came in. So what if we could have another meeting format where we would have people end the meeting with more energy than they had? A meeting that would last exactly 60 minutes, in which we would do three things. The first is we would guarantee that everyone has a space to share what are the key relevant updates that they would like to give to the rest of the team. Then identify all the business tensions that the different members of the team have that are like stumbling blocks that they have in accomplishing their tasks in their roles. And then taking each one of those business tensions and taking a small step forward. Not solving necessarily the whole problem, but just taking one step. A step that shows that this team is agile and moving forward. Well, all this is possible with lean and fast steering. So next time when you're planning to do your regular meeting, why don't you try it, test it, and see if it makes you lean and fast.